Hello world, I'm Jiko Harahap from Voice of Youth Nation. This program is sponsored by Voice of Youth National Organization. Today, I'm going to talk about controversy WhatsApp and Twitter in India after new information technology law. The talks about global social media giants like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and WhatsApp getting banned in India starting doing rounds on Tuesday, May 25, 2021. The reasons were center's new information technology rules, which comes into effect from Wednesday, 26 May 2021. The new rules were announced by the central government in February 2021. All social media organizations were given 3 months to accept the same. As per the new IT rules introduced by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, these significant social media intermediaries will lose their intermediary status if they fail to comply with the new rules. Social media giants must follow additional due diligence and appoint a chief compliance officer, nodal contact person, and resident grievance officer. The report further added that their non-compliance will lead to them losing intermediary status. Due to intermediary status, they are spared from liabilities for any third-party information and data hosted by them. Apart from Indian social media application Koo, which has 6 million users, no other social media giants have complied with the new rules. The Information Technology or Guidelines for Intermediaries and Digital Media Ethics Code Rules 2021 brings social media and digital news organization under a three-tier regulatory framework. Significant social media intermediaries, as defined by the Act, which includes platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, also have to appoint a chief compliance officer, a resident grievance officer, and a nodal contact person for 24/7 coordination with law enforcement agencies. They also have to publish periodic compliance reports every month mentioning the details of complaints received and action taken. Other than this, social media platforms have to track a message's originator if the government or a court asks them to. This rule has raised concerns about the breach of user privacy. Social media companies will have to take down posts depicting nudity or more photos with 24 hours of receiving a complaint. The rules also state that users who voluntarily want to verify their accounts should be given an appropriate mechanism to do so and be accorded a visible mark of verification. Users will have to be provided with a prior intimation and explanation when a significant social media intermediary removes content on its own. In such cases, users have to be provided an adequate and reasonable opportunity to dispute the action taken by the intermediary. As per data cited by the government, India has 53 crore WhatsApp users, 44.8 crore YouTube users, 41 crore Facebook subscribers, 21 crore Instagram clients, while 1.75 crore account holders are on microblogging platform Twitter. The new rules were introduced to make social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and Instagram, which have seen a phenomenal surge in usage over the past few years in India, more accountable and responsible for the content hosted on their platform. Here are some of the key issues that are causing worry about social media companies as the new IT rules. Appoint of local officer for compliance, license and grievance handling, break encryption and use HI to monitor objectionable terms. Multiple bodies representing these companies had written to the government to extend the timeline to comply with these rules as well. According to The Hindu, various bodies including FICCI and CII have sought extensions of between 6 months and 1 year. None of the social media companies have, however, gone to court against the rules, while digital news organizations have. This is the latest update news from me. I'm Chikara. Thank you for watching and have a great day.